Good afternoon, guys. Yes, it's the golden age of America. Yes, this is the news of today. In today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 7th, 2024. And in this daily newspaper, I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Now I will finish this Sudoku. Well, it's a JigSaw Sudoku. And this will be number 9549. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. So let's get started. I think this is a 0 stars puzzle. Alright. First question. Can we see here the single box? Or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. We have here dual boxes, contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? No triple boxes in this puzzle. How about quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Well, this box can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 3 here. The other numbers could be everywhere here. Okay. Now, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the S construction. Let me draw this here. The S construction. If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the S. If you flip this, you will get the Z construction. It's the same shape. It's the same shape. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. We have only one S construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Yeah. Alright. Then, only one, yeah. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember, this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, in this case it's a 4 here. And here we have another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Okay. Then the following shape, how about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Here, another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. That you need to recognize, yeah. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum of 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the one in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the one in this W area shape. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then these two boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then, let me see. Well. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. So 3. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this S construction should be here. 2 numbers left now in this S construction for numbers 4 and the 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Then these two boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then let me think. You go up. This box can be 4. Oh, we already have a 4 here. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. So 2. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Yeah. 3 and a 5. I think this box. Wait. 3. 2. Let me go down first. These 3 boxes. Surround 1 can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box will be 1, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3 is connected with that box. Should be so 3. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We go up. Okay. Let me think. Let me think. Four. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. But also that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box can also not be a 3. So one box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now for the numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. Let me mark those numbers. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. Mark those two boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. And now 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 to 5. 3 to 5. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Together with the 2, we have a pair. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 3. 3 to 5, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left in the 4 in this area, supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left in the 4 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Is connected with that box, so we saw 1 and a 3, but we already have a 3 there, so it can be 3 and more. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, so we saw 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with 3. We have 3 now, so this can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. We solve it again. Definitely a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.